pledge our full support to our new nation and also our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that any damn politician that has come against our motive will be automatically dealt with. And we have vowed to boycott every election in Biafra land as proven. What we need is Biafra referendum. We have spoken. As we have here signed by Coordinator Bidex Dedi, Engineer B, Igbocha Rising Sun, IPOB, Zone 1, Okujago, and signed Elder Chairman Tekena Lambert from Okrika Land, Igbocha Rising Sun, IPOB, Zone 1, Okujago. That is where we are here. Thank you.
Thank you.
IPOB,
one family.
IPOB,
One family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before I proceed, sir, this is for Ahoda Zone 1.
Ahoda Zone 1?
Yes, for Ekpe. So, this is our report.
So, this is the report through keynote address presented by Masum Herbert Kevin, coordinator of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Ahoda Zone 1, in Ekpe ethnic nationality, precisely Ahoda province of Biafra land, under the supreme leadership of Prince Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great, on the occasion of IPOB meeting with our boss at his country home, Afra Oku, in Omahia, Abia State of Biafra, on Saturday, the 9th day of September 2017. Shalom.
Shalom.
The supreme leader, the director of Radio Biafra, and the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Prince Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great. The IPOB family brothers and sisters who came from Okujago Zone 1. The IPOB family brothers and sisters who came from different parts of Biafra land, whom Ahoda Zone 1 have been longing to see. Thank Chukwu Abioma for this great opportunity. We again thank Chukwu Abioma for making it possible at this time for us to be part of this epoch gathering today with our supreme leader, which we know that history will not forget it in a hurry. Thank you, our supreme leader, for extending your invitation to us. It is indeed a sign of love and a show that we are not left behind in all these numerous challenges we have been facing in Ahoda because of the issue of Biafra, IPOB, by the Zoo military and the Hausa Fulani, whom have taken it upon themselves in monitoring our activities in arrangement with the IPOB family in Ahoda, under your able leadership, wants you to come to Ahoda during this period of your tour, either in the name of Rivers West Territorial District, which involves 8 local government areas, Ahoda East, Ahoda West, Oba Ebeman Doni, Abuadua, Asaritoru, Akukitoru, Degema, and Bonin LGAs, or in the name of Ahoda Province, which you know the communities and the local governments involved, or in the name of touring to the Rivers State, but mainly in Ahoda East precisely, with the agenda of stopping this mess of the Zoo military, the police, and some of our enemies that are chasing us from one place to another whenever we are gathering or intend gathering for fellowship in anywhere in Ahoda, Biafra land. 2. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB family in Ahoda is yet to be observed, which we intend doing it, the inauguration, but was obstructed by the Zoo police. Before the day of the inauguration, we send messages across to your subordinates, likely the Okujago Zone 1 coordinator, Okujago Welfare Chairman, the regional coordinator in charge of Rivers State and Bayelsa State, the national coordinator in charge of Biafra land, etc. Assuming this inauguration was done peacefully, it would have been as a means of evangelizing IPOB in Ahoda, Ekpe. It would have served as a means of an eye-opening, which, after that day, more people would have joined the struggle. It would have served as a means of creating more awareness to the struggle, to the much number of people who are singing songs and clamoring that they are not Biafrans. Instead, they are Niger Deltans. Thank God for me, who is an Ekpe indigene, who occupies the position of a coordinator in Ahoda Zone 1, precisely in Ahoda province of Biafra, which I have told my people Ekpe on daily basis that I am not only a Biafran, but a full-fledged Biafran, and not Niger Delta. Because of these, some individuals are beginning to hate me, but stand on where I am. The inauguration, which we prepare very well, but the Zoo police interrupted the directive of the new caretaker and Barrister Sonny Idozu. The damages to lost properties of every family members and others are still not taken care of. The owners are seriously on our neck. The report stroke inventory of those damaged stroke lost properties is attached to this address, and hereby advise that there is need to be taken care of before time, because the depths of some of these things have increased to a certain length, while some are still increasing on daily basis till date, e.g. canopies, chairs, etc., which the owners always come to us for debt demand, but we keep on telling them to wait until we see our boss, which the day has come. The IPOB family in Ahoda are here to also to urge your supremacy that you put the people of Biafra on command to come to Ahoda for the inauguration of IPOB in Ahoda, Epeye, precisely Ahoda province of Biafra, and also for them to come in much number for us to observe this very inauguration peacefully, openly, and noticeably in Ahoda main town, because the Hausa Fulani people, our enemies, have started laughing at us in different manners, and this should be done on time to shame on our side being the IPOB worldwide. The IPOB family in Ahoda Zone 1 also uses this medium to tell you that you send a powerful message stroke warning first to the caretaker chairman Ahoda main town, indigene Barrister Sonny Idozu, whom by the wish of the state governor will stay only 3 months in office as the caretaker committee chairman, to desist further from interrupting or disturbing the peace of IPOB fellowship stroke meeting in Ahoda, Biafra land. Secondly, to the zoo police, JTF, etc., to desist and stop chasing us from one place to another whenever we are gathering or intend gathering for fellowship anywhere, any day in Ahoda without molestation, arrest, or threat. Hence, they should leave us alone. It will interest you to note that the Hausa Fulani, Arewas, and the Yoruba Duduwas are having their normal meetings anytime, anywhere, any day in Ahoda without any molestation, arrest, or disturbance of any kind. Whereas these people are strangers in our land, while the original owners of the land have been automatically refused to hold IPOB fellowship stroke meetings in Ahoda. It needs urgent attention and intervention, please. 5. Biafra Television stroke Radio Biafra. Ahoda Zone 1 also uses this medium to present to you that the family needs BTV stroke RB within the area of our jurisdiction, so that the people of Epeye, Ahoda East, people of Engene, Ahoda West, people of Omok, Oba, Ebemandone, and people of Abua Central, Abua Odua, LGAs, basically the 10 Ahoda East metropolis in particular, and other towns and villages within and outside the areas in general, for them to fully involve and in touch with the happenings and the activities of Biafra worldwide. And it will also interest you to know that our father, Dimchuku Emeka Odumegu Ojukwu of blessed memory, may his soul rest in peace, visited Ahoda. When he came, he said that Ahoda is still like this, undeveloped. Being an ancient city, our father went back with sadness. It is indeed sad. Ahoda had been an ancient town, yet it is nothing to write home about in the hands of Nigerian government. So also we want you to come to Ahoda in this our time and reopen the eyes of our people, which will serve as a starting point on their backslidness in this struggle. We therefore state that if all these numerous challenges are being taken care of, we, the few indigenes of Epeye who love the Biafra restoration and who are also in this struggle and in this IPOB in Ahoda, do promise to remain resolute and focus under IPOB worldwide until Biafra is restored. Without deviation, and promise to go and preach the Biafra gospel to all nooks and crannies of Epeye villages and towns, which by the special grace of God will serve as a booster in quest for Biafra restoration. Because the citizens have suffered a lot in the hands of Nigerian government, and they are still suffering till now. And if measures not taken, they will continue to suffer till the rest of their life. Conclusively, I therefore call on all Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world to take the issue of Biafra as one of their major responsibility, not minding the circumstances involved, to come out en masse, stand bold, and preach Biafra to all corners of the world. However, I therefore urge all Biafrans to join the movement of the indigenous people of Biafra under the leadership of Prince Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is a force to reckon with, an epitome of truth and a true freedom fighter. This very man, full of wisdom, was able to understand the reasons for failures of past freedom fighters in the region and how best to tackle the injustices unleashed on Biafrans by the Nigerian state. Thank you, and may Chukwu Okike Abiyama continue to bless you all for listening. All hail Biafra!
All hail Biafra!
Long live Republic of Biafra! Long live IPOB worldwide! Long live Ahoda province! Long live Ahoda Zone 1! Humbly submitted and compiled by Masom Herbert Kevin, Coordinator Ahoda Zone 1. IPOB,
One family.
One family.
IPOB.
Thank you very much. What is happening in Ahoda is normal.
Yes.
If it doesn't happen, then we are not doing freedom fighting.
Yes.
That we are going to overwhelm them and overcome them. And as you know, of course, I will come to Ahoda. What I want to ask you is a very simple question, and I want a very simple and honest answer. In terms of percentage, what is the percentage of people, original Ahoda indigenes, that want to be Biafra? Can anybody answer that question honestly and truthfully? What is the percentage of our people in Ahoda that genuinely want to be Biafra? Can anybody tell me?
Yes. Okay. Yes. IPOB.
One family.
I want blood. I want
Blood.
Your Excellency. I am Chief Comrade Miller Obed Karebo Odo from Ukuledi in Ahoda West, Ubobi community. On behalf of my people that are here and those are at home, continue to stand before you truthfully that we are 80% in support of this republic.
One family.
Brothers and Reverend,
IPOB.
speaking now.
Because this has been, you know, Biafra Republic was born 27th May 1967.
That's
But
correct.
I assure you that the entire native and humanly resources of Ekpe land in the nucleus of the Ahoda province that has been originally born and divine, because whatever happened today, as soon as Port Harcourt is concerned, Port Harcourt is the son of Ahoda. They started from Ahoda before that Port Harcourt was.
Yes.
So that is why I said I cannot go further until that day when we shall have very big big burden. Even people of the world will see what I'm going to say. Thank you, and God bless you, Your Excellency.
IPOB.
I will stand up to address you.
Yeah, thank you.
It gives me joy, a lot of pleasure and joy. I hope you are alive to the world so they can see you people.